We're gonna make a gin and tonic that is not conventional, okay? This is a recipe from my friend Daniel. I think you're gonna like it. So we're gonna chop up some berries. I have some blueberries here, some raspberries, and some blackberries. So I'm just gonna chop all this up. I'm gonna fill this glass with ice, and I'm going to put half of these berries in there. So I got enough for 2 here. I'm using Bombay. You can use whatever gin you want. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of gin. We're using tonic water, and we're gonna do 3 ounces of the tonic water. I'm gonna squeeze a little lime in there. We'll give it a little stir. Is that pretty or what? Please enjoy this responsibly. Oh, it's delicious. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.